A lively meadow where all the animals gather for a race between the boastful hare and the humble tortoise. The race kicks off and the hare dashes ahead, confident of victory, while the tortoise starts slow but steady. The hare, believing victory is certain, decides to take a nap under a tree. The tortoise continues at a slow but unwavering pace, passing the sleeping hare. The animals and audience are surprised as the tortoise reaches the finish line first. The narrator or characters convey the moral lesson of the story: slow and steady wins the race. The animals celebrate the tortoise's victory with cheers and a joyful gathering. Display credits with a cheerful and upbeat atmosphere.